Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for advisors. Get Emails is the world's first email-based retargeting solution to build your business. It's the proven solution for marketers looking to grow revenue by sending real-time abandonment emails to anonymous users. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions. Useful Get Emails features. Our secret sauce is that we only pass you email addresses we have known activity for opens or clicks within the last 14 days in our network. Every email address we pass you has opted into our publisher network to receive offers from our partners. Get Emails Delivery ID email graph is 100% compliant with all applicable laws and regulations in the USA. Top earning advisors know. 91% of people check their emails daily. Email marketing scores higher conversion rates than searches and social media combined. Emails deliver a $42 return on investment, ROI, for every dollar spent. There's no other tool that allows you to stay in touch with your existing clients and potential leads, drive sales, and improve your customer loyalty, all at the same time. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.